So you've got a Visa gift card and your sights set on some shiny new Apple gear. Let's turn that plastic into products. First, buying online, head to Apple.com, find the item you want, and add it to your cart. Proceed to checkout as usual. When you get to the payment section, select credit card as your payment method. This is where your Visa gift card information comes in. Carefully enter the gift card number, expiration date, and the security code exactly as they appear on the card, just like you would with a regular credit card. Here's a crucial tip: the billing address you enter must match the address associated with the gift card. If you haven't registered the card with an address, do that first on the Visa gift card's website, usually found on the back of the card. Sometimes, the value of your gift card won't cover the entire purchase. No problem. Apple allows you to use multiple payment methods. Simply use the gift card for its maximum value and then pay the remaining balance with another credit card or debit card. Prefer shopping in person? Awesome! Just head to your local Apple store, pick out your items, and proceed to the checkout counter. Inform the Apple employee that you'll be using a Visa gift card to make the payment. They'll swipe the card, and you can use another form of payment if the gift card doesn't cover the full amount. Now, let's troubleshoot potential problems. If your card is declined, double-check that you've entered the correct information, including the billing address. Also, confirm that the gift card hasn't expired and that there are sufficient funds available. If you're still having issues, contact the Visa gift card customer support. They're there to help. Getting that Apple gear just got a whole lot easier.